SSD caching and continuous batching for LLM inference on Apple Silicon. Today we walk through the repositories trending on GitHub, looking at what each project actually does, how it fits into everyday development work, and which of them you could reasonably try out yourself this week. At number 5, Anthropic-Cybersecurity-Skills is 817 structured cybersecurity skills for AI agents, mapped to 6 frameworks including MITRE ATT and CK, NIST CSF 2.0, MITRE Atlas and D3 Fend, across 29 security domains. Each skill maps only to the frameworks relevant to it, so one skill may hit all 6 frameworks while another matches just a couple, according to the project's own example. The project says to only use these skills against systems you own or have explicit written permission to test, and to comply with all applicable laws and rules of engagement. Today at number 4, Immich is a high-performance self-hosted photo and video management solution whose release notes list HLS and real-time video transcoding as a preview feature, according to the project itself. For the mobile app, the documentation says you can use the project's own hosted demo as the server endpoint, and it also tells you to always follow a 3-2-1 backup plan for your precious photos and videos. Immich also ships release candidates, sometimes called pre-release, which are tested but not yet official releases, and they let the team find and fix outstanding bugs before a final release. At number 3, OpenViking is a self-evolving context database for AI agents that unifies agent memory, knowledge RAG and skills, and its vector search first locates the highest scoring directory before drilling down layer by layer. After a session commits, OpenViking asynchronously extracts user preferences and agent experience into long-term memory, and each query preserves its directory browsing trajectory so you can see which path produced a result. The project reports low COMO accuracy of 82.08% with OpenViking against 24.2% native for OpenClaw, and 80.32% against Claude Code's 57.21%, while input tokens are reported to drop by 34.3 to 91.0%. At number 2, CareerOps is an open-source AI job search that scans job portals and evaluates listings with a structured AF rubric into a 1.0 to 5.0 score, running locally in your AI coding CLI. It scans portals automatically across Greenhouse, Ashby, Lever and Company pages, and processes in batch to evaluate 10+ offers in parallel with subagents, generating tailored ATS-optimized CVs per job description. The author says they used it to evaluate 740+ job offers, generate 100+ tailored CVs, and land ahead of applied AI role, after months of applying the hard way. At number 1, omlx requires Mac OS 15.0 or newer, Python 3.11 to 3.13, and Apple Silicon, and its author wanted to pin everyday models in memory and autoswap heavier ones on demand. You install it with brew or pip, including a pip extra for MCP, the Model Context Protocol, and OCR models like DeepSeek OCR, DOTS OCR, and GLM OCR are auto-detected with optimized prompts. You launch the omlx app from your Applications folder on Mac OS, the project states 30x faster, and it notes that audio is not yet supported while community layouts also load. If any of these fit the way you already work, the honest next step is to read the project's own documentation, run it on your own machine, and judge the results yourself before trusting anyone's summary. That is today's list. Tell me which project you would actually run. Subscribe for tomorrow's trending repositories. Same format, same evidence, same honest limits about what each project does not do yet.